In this video, we are discussing plastic surgery website design and its effectiveness as a strategy to market your practice. Plastic surgery website design is a strategy that focuses on converting website traffic into patients in your office. As for generating new patients, this is a very effective strategy. Now, to implement this strategy by yourself or with your current staff would be very difficult. You know your specialty is caring for patients, not coding websites. Now, the typical cost associated with aesthetic website design falls into two categories. There's templated designs, which can cost about $1,000 to $3,000, as well as custom designs, where you can expect to pay $10,000 and up. Plastic surgeons need to consider three fundamental factors to having a website that will convert patients. First off, it needs to be mobile responsive. You need to have a website that works well on all devices from a computer to a tablet to a phone. Second off, it needs to be clearly branded. Branding your website is more than just a color scheme of your logo. You want to sell the benefits of your services to your clientele. Now, a medical spa will have a different imagery and conversion goals than a surgical center, so your website needs to be an extension of your practice. Third, conversion focused. You want to ensure the user knows the next step they're supposed to take. Be sure to read our recommendation on sticky menus so you can always convert a user no matter where they're at in the site. Now, driving traffic to your website can come from many other strategies such as plastic surgery SEO. Now, stay tuned as we will discuss SEO and other strategies in greater depth in this series, The Ultimate Guide to Marketing Your Plastic Surgery Practice.